You want an iPhone?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yo,
कॉस्ट्यूम तो बहुत प्यारी है। ये लो आईफोन।
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, Minecraft कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए तुम्हें मिलते हैं 2 आईफोन।
Fais pas tomber ton iPhone.
Merci.
Joyeux Halloween. Hey, voilà 10 000 $.
Merci.
Non, c'est pour toi. Garde-le, c'est pour toi.
엄마한테 뺏기지 마.
안녕. 여기 아이폰. 너도 줄게. 너도 하나 줄까? 자, 여기 해피 할로윈.
Nhung thích iPhone không?
Dạ con,
Ok, tặng qua iPhone nè. Ủa hai đứa lần hả?
Dạ,
Chữ
cảm ơn
chúc
chú.
ngày của con nè.
Dạ, tạm
Halloween
biệt.
vui nha.
Tạm biệt
Con
chú.
muốn PlayStation không? Hai cái AirPods được không?
Cảm ơn chú.
Chào ông.
Ai đứng
Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can change the audio track of shorts videos. As an example, I will tell you by changing the audio track of Mr.beast's shorts video. First of all, we have to update YouTube by Play Store or App Store. And after that, play any long video like I am playing Mr.beast video. First of all, it will be played in the original language, but select the audio track in the language in which you want to listen, like I am selecting Hindi. And after that, if you want to come back, you can also cut it from here. Now, if you play any of their videos, it will play in the same track that you have selected, even if you play a short one.
मैं इनके घर को फ्री में रेनोवेट करने के लिए पूछने वाला हूँ। क्या हाल है? क्या तुम एक कटाना से बुलेट को स्लाइस कर सकते हो?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
मुझे इस पर भरोसा। आइए देखते हैं कि कितनी बसेस को हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर रख सकते हैं।
If you like the video, please like it.